Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I made my makeup for Halloween, and I dressed up as Minnie Mouse. This is what it looks like. Just a kind of red, black, smoky eye and red lips. So stay tuned for my video. Heavy.
Close the door!
So I will start with this eyeshadow cream, and it's a primer for the eyeshadows. It's from Urban Decay. I had already started applying the eyeshadow. I just forgot to apply this, but I wanted to go back and do it. So I'm gonna start with the e.l.f. palette. I'm using several colors from that palette, and I'm gonna start with black. I'm gonna add this on my mobile eyelid, and I'm just gonna try to cover the whole thing just to intensify the color a lot more. Just not try to leave any spots to it, and just try to make sure to apply it all together there. As you can tell, I'm using a kind of firm brush. Now I'm gonna do a mix of reds and oranges and pinks just to create the perfect red that I wanted for this makeup. That palette doesn't really have a red color per se. So I'm gonna start with the orange, and it's gonna be above my mobile eyelid, and I'm just gonna try to add as much as I can. Just try to do a little crest, and I'm gonna take, this is like a dark magenta. It is between magenta and pinkish, so I'm gonna add it to the same place where I add the orange. I'm gonna mix it with the orange, a little bit of brown, and this will help me achieve that color that I have on the other eye. Just a mix of everything, and I'm gonna try to blend it in also with the black eyeshadow that I already have, and this will help make the color a bit darker so it doesn't look just like straight orange. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on that. It will take me a couple of tries and mixing the colors until I get the right one, the one that I want. I'm gonna just keep trying to achieve this color, and I also use a little bit of brown just to blend it in a little bit more and add that intensified look that I'm looking for here. As you can tell, it's starting to look a lot more like the one that I have on the other eye. I'm going to take more of the magenta, and I'm also going to mix it with this orangey and just try to add more color so my eyes pop. I'm making this makeup a lot more intensified, if you can say, than others, just because it's going to be night and I want it to look nice in the pictures. Now I'm gonna remove the excess of eyeshadow. There's a lot that fell because I forgot to just try to remove any excess. I'm gonna take some of the black and also the magenta, and I'm gonna add it on the bottom of my eye on the eyelid, just until the half of my eye, and that will add more color to the makeup, and it will make it look darker. In a way, it will look a lot nicer. So I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Infallible matte, and this is a base that I love. This is a makeup that I love for my face. It just covers all my freckles and imperfections. Doesn't make my face too oily, which is perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up, and before I forget, I'm gonna add a little bit of my favorite mascara. This is a CoverGirl mascara, because I'm gonna be adding fake eyelashes in a little bit. I'm also gonna take the e.l.f. black eyeliner, and I'm gonna add it on my top lid on the inside. I'm gonna add I'm gonna use the Broadway eyebrow kit, and I'm gonna start working in my eyebrows. I choose the darkest color. As you can tell, my eyebrows are there, but are really like faint. It doesn't have a lot of strength or color in them, so I always have to fill them up with a little bit of makeup. So I'm just gonna follow the outline that I already have, fix a couple places where I have hair missing, and then I'm gonna drag from the bottom of my eyebrows. I'm gonna drag the makeup that I already added. I don't add too much because I don't like them to look fake. I don't like fake eyebrows. So I just try to make them as close as mine, as natural as I can, and just make them look okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and fix whatever it was missing on the other one. Now I'm gonna take this e.l.f. concealer and I'm gonna kind of just fix whatever mistakes I made on the eyebrow and just outline it to make it pop a bit more. I'm gonna go on the bottom of my eyebrow, on the top, and on the sides as well. And with the brush, I'm gonna start blending everything in, trying to like scatter the makeup in here and just make it look nice. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I kind of messed up a little bit here. I went a little over inside, but I mean, it's something that can be fixed with a little bit more eyeshadow kit of the eyebrow kit. As you can tell, I already fixed it right here. It was easy, quick, and it didn't fuss so much. I'm gonna use a light eyeshadow and I'm gonna put it on the corner of my eye, just to add a little bit more of light and just to make it look nice. My next step is the eyelashes, and they always make me have a little extra work with my makeup. I'm not an expert, but I found that if I cut them in 3 pieces, it gets so much easier to apply. It gets better for me and they look nicer. So I'm gonna start with the outside corner of my eye, and I'm gonna apply them in there. I'm not really gonna fuse them with mine yet. I do that when the glue is a little bit dry, because if not, usually they just come off. So while they're kind of drying, I like to add the other ones, the middle part and the inner corner, and now I'm just gonna press them with my eyelashes. That way they're gonna look a lot more natural in a way and just make them look better. So I'm gonna finish them up, and once I have them, I'm gonna use this Bahama Mama, and it is a bronzer. I'm gonna try to contour a little to hide all the chubiness going on in my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm also going to do it on my neck, just so it's not double chin kind of thing going on right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. It is just a simple step that I usually take with my makeup. And now I'm gonna use this translucent powder just to cover any oily situation I might have, to absorb all that, and just to make it look nicer, to cover any imperfections I had. I'm gonna use this Ginger and Gold. It's a blush, and I'm gonna add it this way, and also it's a highlighter, so I'm gonna add more of a blush. Is the Bahama Mama as well, and I'm gonna make it really I'm gonna intensify it, because this is a night makeup and I want to be able to see it in the pictures. So I'm just going to add a little bit more than I usually would. Now the next step I'm going to do will be adding my eyeliner, and I love this one from Rimmel. I think it's Rimmel. It is my favorite. It's waterproof, and I'm just gonna add a cat-like eyeliner all the way coming from the corner of my eye. Just a thin line, just to make it pop a little bit more, to make it look nice. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more mascara, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lipstick. I use this lipstick from Rimmel that I love. It is 24 hours stay, and it's perfect. It color matches great with the Minnie Mouse theme. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill my lips, and after that I'm just gonna add the gloss that comes with it. This gloss helps so much to keep your lips moisture. And well, this is what the makeup looks like. I think it turned out great. It went good with the theme, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not a makeup artist, I'm not an expert on this, but I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and I will talk to you next time. Bye guys.